Hey kids, today we're going on a colorful adventure to learn about yummy vegetables. Let's find out why carrots, broccoli, and more are so special. Ready? Let's go! Carrot, crunchy and orange, great for your eyes. Broccoli, little green trees that make you strong. Tomato, juicy and red, often used in salads. Potato, brown on the outside, soft and yummy when cooked. Spinach, green leaves that make you super healthy. Cucumber, cool and crisp, perfect for snacks. Pepper comes in red, green, and yellow and adds color to meals. Peas, tiny green balls that are sweet and fun to eat. Corn, yellow kernels that taste sweet and are fun to munch. Last but not the least, cauliflower, white and fluffy, looks like a mini tree. Wow! We learned about so many yummy and healthy vegetables today. Remember, eating veggies helps you grow strong and stay healthy. Thanks for joining our veggie adventure.